welcome back to my channel. So my name is Tatiana, if you don't know already. If you haven't, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. I do lifestyle videos, fashion videos, vlogs, everything. And today we're gonna get into some perfume, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I went a little shopping at Sephora and I ordered some perfume. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. So the first thing that I got was, well, let me show you that, because I want to show you that first. Where is it? Guys. Oh. So the first thing that I got was this Fenty Beauty. This is Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss Balm in the color Sweet Melt. And it looks like this. And I got this because I seen like I seen somebody on TikTok review this and I thought this was so cute. So I just ended up getting it. I love lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl, so I know that's gonna be cute just to go on. Lashes and lip gloss is my thing. Lashes, lip gloss, nails, me. Okay, but anyways, that's that. I also got my favorite perfume at the moment right now, perfect for the fall. It's actually Skylar by Clean Beauty. It's Vanilla Sky. The keynotes in this is cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized honey, and it's actually hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive skin, and eco-friendly. Let me show you. She is so pretty. So she looks like this. I've been wearing this for a while now and I just love it. I just freaking love it. It came with a travel size, so it's like the Sephora gift set. It came with a travel size, so you get like a 2-for-1 type thing. But yeah, this smells so good. It just smells like vanilla and sugar. It just smells so freaking good. Like if you want like a clean vanilla scent that's like pure, not like not like pure vanilla. If you want like just I can't even explain it. Let me see. If you want like a sweet vanilla, this is this. You want to smell like vanilla sugar, you want this, ladies. And this, and let me tell you something, I like to pair this with an oil. And the oil that I actually got, I picked up my favorite oil. I was actually in Anthropologie one day, just browsing, and I came across this. And ever since then, I asked somebody to buy it for me for a gift. I've been in love. Like, I can't go outside without this. And I used to just be obsessed with this oil. Let me show you guys. I was not trying to do that, but okay. So normally the Baccarat oil is my favorite like oil scent. But guys, I found something else. Let me tell you. Let me put you on. The Nest Madagascar Vanilla is it. Is that, girl? You need this. If you want to like smell really, really good on the holidays, you want to smell like vanilla, you need this. Okay, this is the gift set. It comes with 2. Get the gift set one, because if not, you're just paying $100 for this. Okay, yeah, both. But yeah, so it's a perfume oil. Let me see if it has like keynotes. Okay, it says fine warmth in the wind. It's definitely a warm type of scent. It says it captures the allure of Madagascar's rich landscape with the warm essence of vanilla bean, the subtle florency of vanilla orchard, and a hint of coconut. If I butcher any of those, I'm so sorry. But yeah, guys, this is just a lovely oil. It's strong. You can smell it throughout your the whole day. Okay, maybe like a good 8 hours. Let me get a reply. But it looks like this. It's super lightweight. Pairing it with this and this is a go. And then I'm gonna show you another perfume that I got. Pairing it with that is good too because I tried both. So let's see what else I got. And after this, guys, I'm about to get something to eat because I'm starving. But alright, so I was so excited because this, everybody knows the Kayali. I just got the dual set. It's in number 28. It's vanilla, and it just smells like pure vanilla ashtray. That's all, straight up. It's so good. The bottle is so cute. Look at that. Like, come on, you can't beat this. And it came with the travel size one. I don't even need to go into this. If you don't know this already, go to Sephora, smell it, and if you want a good holiday scent, this is that. This is that scent. Just pure vanilla ashtray. You want to smell like that, this, and then pair this with the Nest oil. You be smelling real good. And then lastly, I was super excited for this one. I got the replica. These are like the mini versions, but it came in like a dual set, which I thought was good. My curls are dropping. But yeah, anyways, so it looks like this. But I'm so excited that I got it because I get to try and see if I really like it, if I want to spend the money on just like the full bottles. But they're this size. You get a good amount of it in here. And they came with Beach Walk and By the Fireplace. By the Fireplace is bomb. Also, Beach Walk is also okay. Just we're in the fall right now, so you might want to just stick with By the Fireplace, but it's okay. If you're in like a summery, like a warmer climate like me, then you can get away with Beach Walk because it's like 80 degrees lately. 80 degrees, 90. I could definitely just wear Beach Walk and think it's spring outside, spring or summer. I can go to the beach, put it on, anything, and you're gonna smell just really, really good. You're gonna smell like a little beach babe. But yeah, so anyways, I got that. So I can't wait to like try By the Fireplace with the oil because I know that's gonna be bomb. But right now I sprayed both of them on my hands and it's like clashing right now. But this one smells just like, it says the fragrance description is burning wood and chestnut. It smells exactly like that. And then even the same as Beach Walk, just smells like, it says sun-kissed salty skin. I don't know about sun-kissed. I don't know if that's like a description. It smells like, what's it called? Suntan lotion, but like a perfume version, if that makes sense. It just smells really, really good. So I highly recommend getting this. Get this if you haven't tried it before because it's a trial set. So well, it's like a little bigger than a trial set, but it's cute because you can decide if you want it. You don't have to spend the money for it. I think if they retail almost like $200, and you get this, I think it was like $120 or something like that. You get both of them. So ladies, get on this. But other than that, that is all. That's the video. That's all that I got from Sephora. So oh, I also got some stuff from Ulta. Let me show you really quick while I'm doing the video. Might as well. So I went to Ulta. I just picked up some glosses. I got the butter gloss. This is in butterscotch. This one I'm wearing on my lips right now, and I also paired it with the e.l.f. Lip oil, and this is in the color, what color is this? Honey Talks. Guys, these two, favorite. And then I also, on my cheeks right now, I am wearing a putty blush. I don't know if you can see, but it's a putty blush by e.l.f. Super cute. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I actually ended up really liking it. Yeah, so it's just a cute little soft little pink, and I got a lip liner, if I can find it. I just got a regular lip liner by NYX. It's like brown. So that focuses. So yeah, that's everything that I got. Am I missing something? I feel like I am, but I think that's all that I got from NYX. Okay, so anyways, guys, that's basically all. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for following me. Definitely follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is Namestatianna. Follow me on TikTok. I think it's Tatiannasd 0, but I'm gonna link it all in the comments down below. And if you guys know any like really good perfumes, definitely drop a comment. All right, bye guys.